Greetings, everybody. This is part 2 of the Yelapa Waterfall hunt. I will link to part 1 below if you haven't seen that one. Don't forget to look for the hashtag MDM Treasure Challenge. Let's get to it. If you like my content and would like more information about my membership program or metal detecting merchandise, visit metaldetectingmermaid.com.
Oh yeah, I'm right between rocks. It'll be a miracle if I can get this with the sand scoop. There are two rocks that are kind of wedged in here. But boy, there's something down there. Something right there too. Lots of signals. Just a matter of getting to them. I got it. At least I got one of them. And it's 5 pesos. This is another 10 peso signal. 63.64. We can hope. Did I get it? I did. I did get it. And it is 10 more pesos. Excellent. I'm definitely going to be able to afford a couple tacos. How fun. God, I just love this so much. Ooh. Interesting tone, but very deep. Let's see what I can do here. Oh, maybe I got it. Oh, what in the... Piece of glasses. That was fun. Maybe? Yep, I have it. Pesos. 2 more pesos. It's a nice signal. 62. I still don't have it. My goodness. I'm in the right spot. It's just elusive when you can't see what you're doing. Maybe I got it. Oh yeah, I did get it. Well, that's... Look at this. Oh, this is wonderful. I love it. Ooh. I might have found something with some value. Oh, I cannot wait to take a better look at that. Heck yeah, was that ever worth working for?
It's time for the MDM Treasure Challenge. This week's MDM Treasure Challenge is a fill-in-the-blank trivia question. And it is... One of the most stunning pieces from Forrest Fenn's treasure is a dragon blank. Put hashtag MDM Treasure in the comments below and send the correct fill-in-the-blank answer to info@metaldetectingmermaid.com for your chance to win this week's prize.
Okay. Maybe? No? I do. I have a peso. I just think there's more than one. Peso. Okay, something else right under the coil. This is the best, man. I love this. Maybe I have it. I do. It's 5 more pesos. 5 more. Gosh, this is so cool. The pesos are adding up. I have a rather confused signal right here. I have to say, even though I'm working really, really hard on this hunt, it's one of my favorites. 2. Excellent. Here's some water, guys. That's cool. Oh, darn, more rocks. I didn't get it. It's 44. Uh-oh, people are here. I'm gonna have to stop soon. I think I've got this target though. I think. Let's double check. Yeah, I think I've got it in the scoop, but there are people here. I've got another signal right there, and that's a 10 peso signal. I'm gonna have to dig through some rocks to get to this, guys. But we'll figure it out. I don't see anything yet. There it is. It is a tiny, it's another pendant. Look at that. Oh, cool. This is my first religious pendant. A friend of mine gave me one, but that doesn't count as me finding it. I mean, he's a detectorist. He found it. But this is cool. Excellent, worth doing. Very, very cool. And then there is another signal right, where was it? Right here. There are a lot of rocks down here. I don't know if I can get it. And the big boats are starting to come in. This is probably my last dig. They are not going to want me doing this when all the big tour boats come in. Didn't get it. Alright, let's figure out where I am here. Probably the last dig, which is unfortunate, but that's alright. I've had a lot longer here than I thought I would. Okay, now it's 56, 50. Oh, it's still an interesting signal on my coil. All right. Yeah, definitely. A key.
This was, without question, one of my favorite hunts since I started metal detecting at the end of November. I had so much fun. It was so beautiful. And there are a lot of signals left to uncover. I'm really looking forward to going back. It's just an extraordinary place. It's not very expensive for me to get to, and I'm just thrilled about the next trip. So thank you all for watching both parts, and let's get to this wrap-up. Here is everything minus the 3 bits of good treasure. So I found 71 pesos plus the American Shield scent. Just a little bit of trash. There was very little trash, which was nice to see. Then on the bottom, I forgot to put this in the video, but it's a piece of old leather, like leather strapping, with 2 big, thick bolts that go through it. I don't know what it was. It must be some kind of horse tack, because they do horseback riding tours up to the Waterfall. But I'm not exactly sure what it is, but that's my best guess. There is the piece of the glasses, the watch bezel, and the key. And let's get to the 3 good pieces of treasure. From part 1, we have that beautiful silver infinity ring. I was delighted to find it. It's one of the first things I found that's for women. Alas, it was too small for me. So I ended up giving it to the family who owned the property at the Waterfall. They have been very kind to me for 5 years. I have a good relationship with them, and I know that they have a daughter. And I just decided that I would prefer for someone to be able to use it and treasure it versus it sitting in a box in my house on a shelf, because it's too small for me. So I'm sure that they will delight in having it, and it was a nice thank you for being able to detect there. Then next, there is the charm. It is a Pandora limited edition Lion King charm. It is sterling silver. The top of it, which has slightly yellowish stones, are lab-created sapphires on both sides. It's the same on both sides, and it's pretty thick. And then on the bottom are cubic zirconias. I looked it up, and it has a value, depending on condition, of anywhere from $44 to $60 on eBay. And then the last little pendant I found is the religious pendant. It is the religious figure on one side, and then an indigenous symbol on the other side. I don't know if it's Mayan or one of the other many tribes in Mexico, but it does have a 2-sided design. And it was just a great hunt. Loved it. Delighted to have been there, and I can't wait to go back. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy my content. Check out some of the other videos. I will link part 1 in the description below. And if you are interested in any metal detecting or treasure hunting merchandise, or have interest in my membership program, check out metaldetectingmermaid.com. I'll catch you in the next one.